A circuit court judge today has blocked the order from Florida Governor Ron DeSantis to ban mask mandates in schools across the state. But as Jake Stofan tells us, the judge left open the door for mask mandates to be struck down by other means.
Circuit Court Judge John Cooper essentially ruled a blanket ban on mask mandates violates the Parents' Bill of Rights, which allows school boards to infringe on the rights of parents if a policy is narrowly tailored, serves a compelling state interest, or is not otherwise served by less restrictive means.
Anyone who uses that bill has to follow all provisions, not part of the provisions.
Cooper said he couldn't strike down the Department of Health rule requiring parental opt-outs from mask mandates because the department wasn't included in the lawsuit, but he did prohibit the Department of Education from enforcing the rule.
Because the Parents' Bill of Rights does not ban school board face mask mandates.
Judge Cooper did leave the door open for other enforcement means, so long as school boards are given an opportunity to plead their case that their mask policies comply with the Parents' Bill of Rights.
They must allow a due process proceeding of some sort to allow for a showing of the reasonableness, etc.
How exactly that process would look is unclear. The ruling leaves much to be desired by both the parents who sued and the state. It's possible both sides will appeal parts of the ruling. Earlier this week, Education Commissioner Richard Corcoran said he believes the state would win on appeal, like it did in the school reopening case.
It's like Groundhog Day. We did this exact same thing last year.
And within an hour of the ruling, the governor's office indicated it would immediately appeal. Reporting from the state capitol, Jake Stofan, Channel 4, the local station.
The governor's press secretary, Christina Pushaw, issued the statement after the ruling, saying it is not surprising that Judge Cooper would rule against parents' rights and their ability to make the best educational and medical decisions for their family, but instead rule in favor of elected politicians. This ruling was made with incoherent justifications, not based in science and facts, frankly, and not remotely focused on the merits of the case presented.